What's up everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your boy Gio here again. First and foremost, I really wanted to say thank you for supporting my first ever YouTube video post. Go check that video up. I show you how to make kare, one of my favorite recipes, one of my favorite Filipino dishes. Today, I'm gonna be making brisket. I'm doing this brisket a little differently. I'm actually making it in advance just because it's gonna need a lot of time to cook. But I'm gonna show y'all how to make this brisket without the barbecue stuff, without all of that equipment, with just a basic oven and some basic ingredients and tools that you probably already have at home. So stay tuned, watch my video. Peace! First thing I did was I brined this brisket. This was a really simple brine. All I have here is water, salt, brown sugar, and a little bit of soy sauce. If you want the exact measurement, just go to the description below. You'll see everything there. I have it posted, the steps I took. But right now, this brisket has been in this brine for 24 hours. We're gonna be out of town, so I wanted to make this brisket in advance. And I think the 24 hours is gonna give me what I want. And after that, I'm gonna slow cook it in the sous vide. So I'm gonna do the next step here before I vac seal it. I'm gonna go ahead and brush a little more flavor onto this. Let's give it a quick pat dry before we start putting this glaze on. This glaze is really simple. I've got some homemade dark soy sauce here. I'm gonna make enough for right now and for after as well, because I'm also gonna glaze this when it's done the sous vide as well. I'm gonna add a little bit of ketchup, probably a couple tablespoons. Keen's mustard. Just kind of mix this up. This is the interesting part here. Just crack that. 2 or 3 tablespoons. I'm making my sous vide bag right now. Make sure you always measure how much bag you need for your sous vide. I always forget to measure and then I don't cut enough, so my vacuum sealer can't seal it properly. So now I've been trying to get in the habit of measuring before cutting. That's key right there. I'm at 155 degrees Fahrenheit and it's gonna be in here for about 24 hours. Yeah. Yeah, chicken and ketchup.
Yeah. Whoa.
You know where we're going, baby?
No.
Junior's sad that he can't come. Junior, he's sad. He's ready to stay with my sister. Have a good time there. I guess it's been on for 18 hours now. I'm gonna go ahead and prepare the other ingredients and get my dry rub ready for this, so I'll show y'all how to do that. We got Junior here trying to help out with the packing. I'm gonna make this dry rub real quick. Got about 2 tablespoons of salt in there. Next thing I'm gonna add is 2 tablespoons of this onion powder. It's no name brand, you know. 2 tablespoons of garlic powder. I'm gonna do that right now. About 2 tablespoons of chili powder. I'm just gonna use the rest of this. Smoked paprika, just what I use. Again, a couple tablespoons of this. I'm pretty generous with the paprika just because I really like the smoky. This is smoked paprika. Oh fuck. So that's what I got so far. The next ingredient I'm gonna add is freshly ground pepper. Just go ham on your grinder. Try and get that nice bark on it. So I'm gonna use a lot of pepper. 2 tablespoons, 2.5 tablespoons. More pepper. I want to be able to see that pepper evenly throughout this rub. I'm also gonna add just a little bit of brown sugar, not too much. Get that nice caramelization when you're baking the brisket. Give it a quick taste. I'm pretty happy with that. I can taste the pepperiness. I can taste the garlic powder in there, the smokiness from the paprika. And we gotta hit the road so that we're not on the road too late. I'm gonna take my brisket out right now. See, that's the brisket.
What else?
That's everything. Okay, bye, Junior. See you later.
Bye. Are you guys going now?
Yeah. Okay, bye.
Okay, drive safe.
Bye.
Have fun.
I will.
Bye, Chriselle.
I was gonna sous vide these again when I got here, but looking at the meat and how tender it is already, I'm just gonna go ahead and pop these in the oven and get that bark started. I'm gonna go ahead and glaze these now. So this is the dry rub I made earlier. I'm gonna coat it all over. Be generous with this. You want a nice bark, nice layer. Don't be afraid to coat all the sides, all the nooks and crannies. So there's our brisket, nicely seasoned. I have the oven here, preheated, 300 degrees Fahrenheit. It's gonna go in there for a couple hours. I think that looks pretty good. So there it is, our brisket. Looks really good. The bark on there looks nice and crispy. Just from the sound of it. Let's cut into it. Let's see if we did good or not. Let's see how we did here. I'm not using the proper knife, but this is all I got. It's dry.
Is it?
Yeah, I overcooked it. It's all good. Let me taste it. It's a bit dry. It could be a little more moist, but it's actually not too bad. It's actually really tender. Good flavor.
I think more closer to the middle. It's not too bad.
Yeah.
Just the edges are like crispy. So you can see all the fat here.
Yeah. I'm not an expert by any means, but I'm so happy with what I've made here. It's still gonna be a really good dinner for me and the wifey. It's good, right?
Mm-hmm.
Alright, so we're about to try the brisket here. I think I overcooked it a little bit. It's a little dry in some pieces, but some pieces are really juicy. It actually tastes really good. Like, I think the sous vide is what saved this. It infused a lot of that flavor, and it's still really tender, just falling apart. I wish there was a little bit more moisture in it. Next time, I'm just gonna lower the temp on the sous vide and not put it in the oven for so long. I was trying for 2 hours. I took it out at an hour and a half. Next time, I'll leave it in there for an hour if I do decide to do brisket in the oven. What do you think? Does it taste good?
Mm-hmm. I think it tastes good.
I like the crispiness, like, from this.
I like the fatty pieces.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Mm. That's a fatty piece right there. Hmm.
I think it's good.
Yeah, it's really good.
Mm-hmm. I like how it's not too salty.
Yeah.
I feel like when we get brisket at like restaurants, it's pretty salty.
Mm-hmm. Has a good amount of salt. You can taste the pepper. You can taste the sweetness too from the brown sugar. A little bit, right?
Mm-hmm.
Taste the bark. You can taste the brown sugar. That's a really nice. That's a really nice piece. I give her all the nice pieces.
Mm-hmm.
Honestly, not bad.
Mm-hmm. It's good.
Yeah, it looks dry, but it actually tastes bomb.
Dry.
Like, this is a really nice piece right here.
Yeah, I think that other piece turned out
this
a
one
lot better.
Yeah, this one was like, I don't know. I think
maybe there just wasn't enough fat in that.
Maybe because I trimmed on this piece. I specifically trimmed the fat cap, like most of it off. So maybe I'll leave some of that on next time.
Mhm.
But I think it had more to do with the cooking than the trimming of the fat. Yeah. I'm happy you like it though, love.
Mhm. It's good.
But yeah, that's our episode right there. Thank you for watching my video. I really appreciate it. Check out my next YouTube video that I'm gonna be posting next week. I try to post every week for y'all. Hit me up with the subscribe. Hit me up with a like. Drop a comment. Let me know what I should cook next. I appreciate it. Thank you for all the love, all the support. We're out here making brisket. Peace.
Bye.
Bye.